Hi everyone,
Hi
welcome to
everyone,
Learn
welcome to
Easily.
Learn Easily.
Here, this
This is
is SSLC 10th
SSLC 10th
standard
standard poem,
The Song of
The
India,
Song of
written by
India,
V.K.
written by
Gokak.
V.K. Gokak.
Questions and
Questions
summary.
and summary.
Here in this video,
Here in
I
this
will
video,
present
I
you
would
the
present
most
you the
important
most
questions
important questions
for you
for you
examination,
for your examination
and a brief
and a
summary
brief
of
summary of
the poem,
the
The
poem,
Song of
The Song of
India.
India.
Let us begin with
Let
the
us begin
questions.
with the questions.
The first question.
The first
Identify
question.
the two speakers in the
two
poem.
speakers in the poem.
What does the
What
speaker
does
want
the
to
speaker
sing about?
want to sing about?
You know very well.
You know
right?
very well, right?
Yes.
Yes.
The two speakers
are
the
are
poet
the
and
poet
Mother
and
India.
Mother India.
The speaker
The speaker
or the poet
or the
wanted
poet
to sing
wanted to sing
about his country.
His country.
Next second one.
Next second
Who
one.
does the poet
Who does the
mean
poet
by
mean by
of your children
of your
that
children
died to
that
call
died
their
to
own?
call their own?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ poet
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾರನ್ನ
poet ಯಾರನ್ನ
ನಿನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
ನಿನ್ನ
ನಿನಗಾಗಿ
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ
ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನ
ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅಂತ
ಅಂತ
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
the soldiers who guard
mother
and
motherland,
or the mother's children and they sacrificed their lives for the sake of their motherland. So they are our own, the soldiers. Okay. Then the third question. What according to the poet is the contribution of seers and prophets? ಇಲ್ಲಿ seers and prophets ಅಂದಾಗ
ಕಾಲಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ದಾರ್ಶನಿಕರು ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಜನತೆಗೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
The seers and prophets have contributed valuable lessons and experience to the others. Here is in brief. You can write more. They helped to the people to lead their life in a right path. Okay. Next fourth question. What are the epics? Why does the poet call the temples as epics in stone? Here, epics are long poem or story about the heroic deeds in India. Most of the ancient temples are built by stones and having many historical and mythological stories on the walls or the pillars. So the poet called temples. Epics ಅಂದಾಗ ದಂತಕಥೆಗಳು ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೀರೋನ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೀರೋನ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನೇ ಎಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹೀರೋಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ಅವರ ಶೌರ್ಯದ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಶಿಲ್ಪಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ in the stainless blue uncapturing the why. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದಾಗ in the poet sang the song which is very remarkable and pure. It was bathed in the firm melodious voice which does not disappear into nothingness. This is the answer. Next. Write a brief your vision of the future of India. According to the poet, future of our country can open up on mother's forehead. It is like Earth's destiny. All the sorrows and sufferings came to an end and new things and views will come and make the people happy. God will protect earth and save all. This is the poet what is going to say in the poem. This is your vision. You can write your own what the poet is going to say through this poem. Okay. Next. Summary of this Song of India poem. The poem Song of India was written by V.K. Gokak. The poem is like a dialogue between India and the poet. In this poem, the poet wants to present glorious picture of the past and also wishes paint India's natural beauty. As Indians, we can rightly be proud of our country, natural beauty. Its rich culture and heritage. Its ancient wisdom. Its glorious freedom struggle industrial progress.
At the same time, we should not ignore the numerous ills affecting our motherland, like poverty, disease, environmental degradation, ignorance, literacy, unemployment, caste and class conflicts, and a hundred forms of exploitation. We should try to eradicate them as far as possible. As poet said, our Mother India has write the book of our destiny, cancelling all our sorrow. Tomorrow should be clear dawn. Our nightmare should flood in the night. We have to write our bright future. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಸಾರಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. Poem Song of India written by ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್. The poem is like a dialogue between Mother India and the poet. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಯೆಟ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ. The poet wants to sing the present glorious picture of past and also wishes to paint India's natural beauty. ಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, want to sing ಹಿಮಾಲಯ, oceans and its natural beauty. Poet want to sing about the rich, its cultural heritage and its ancient wisdom, about the freedom struggle and about the people who died for India, the soldiers, the fighters, the kings, and even the poet want to sing about the great epics, and the epics in poems means about the temples in India, everything. At the same time, Mother India tells to the poet, also keep in your mind, sing about the poverty in India, then disease. Okay. Mother India says, sing about filth and dirt, sing about beggars and lepers. Okay, like that. And even the Mother India says about, sing about illiteracy, unemployment, caste and class conflicts, everything. So here in the poem summary, you have to write down all in detail. But here I am giving you a very brief one. Okay, not to ignore numerous ill affecting our motherland, like poverty, environmental degradation, ignorance, illiteracy, unemployment, caste and class conflict, and 100 forms of exploitation. Should try to eradicate them as far as possible. As poet said, our Mother India has to write the book of our destiny, all our tomorrow should be clear dawn. Our nightmare should flood in the night. We have to write our bright future. Okay, like this poem and the motherland, they are discussing in the poem. Okay, this is a brief summary for your understanding and for your examination preparation. Okay, from this poem you may get the question and summary. Also you may get the extracts also from this poem. For extracts and all, I kept all the notes. Learn easily. Download Learn Easily app. There you can watch this poem explanation, and even can get notes of the 10th standard English for your studies. Okay. This is only short of your question and answers and the summary of the poem Song of India. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.